Welcome to doassignment-ca. Kinematics, position under constant acceleration. Let us solve this problem step by step. We take the right direction as positive. The initial velocity is positive 12 feet per second. The acceleration is negative 2 feet per second squared because it acts to the left. The initial position is 0, and we want the position at t equals 10 seconds. Since the acceleration is constant, we can directly use the kinematic equation. S equals S naught plus V naught times t plus 1/2 times a times t squared. Substituting in S equals 0 plus 12 times 10 plus 1/2 times negative 2 times 10 squared. 12 times 10 equals 120. 1/2 times negative 2 times 100 equals negative 100. So we have 120 minus 100. 120 minus 100 equals 20 feet. Even though the particle was decelerating throughout, it still ends up 20 feet to the right of where it started at t equals 10 seconds. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.